Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode. Today we are heading to Shimba Hills, located in Mwaluganje County. Did I say that right? Yeah. Mwaluganje County. It is a bumpy ride heading out this way. Guys, I want to make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click that bell. This is going to be an exciting journey today. I wanted to film the car so you guys can get the full experience of me rocking and moving and shaking and baking as I always do. But make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy. And here we go. Yes, here. So do y'all have snakes here, like anacondas and humongous pythons? But, so question, do y'all put the snakes here, or they were just kind of already here before you guys developed this center? Oh, they were here before. What kind of snake? A pit snake? Sweet snake. How fast would it kill you? Less than 30 minutes. Damn, 30 minutes. So what do y'all do if someone get bit by a snake? Do y'all just let me die, or do you have like some kind of medication on you to give me? Yeah, some anti-venom. Like right now, God forbid, I get bit by a snake. What do you do? So would y'all ever put a lion in here? Huh? A lion. Lion? Yeah. A lion is just the one that okay, so y'all have one lion. Yeah, one lion. Here inside the park. Yeah, it's inside the park, but it's not around. Oh, so where do y'all keep the lion? We don't keep lions here because oh, they eat all antelope. That's for antelope. Uh-huh. So they are normally lions are not kept here because of the endangered antelope. Oh, okay, so the lions will eat the antelope. Yeah. Okay, got it. I'm just gonna go upstairs because it's hot. Because please forget it in advance. But we're still walking in Shimba Hills. I'm excited to be here. Oh my god. Like so excited. So we're in Shimba Hills filming. We are walking through the Shimba Hill Forest. And we almost got bit by a spider. A poison spider. And I have on sandals. See? Sandals. No one prepared me for this. But I'm prepared for whatever comes my way. Yes. But this is exciting. We're trying to make our way down the hill to the waterfall. And then from there, see what we can see. We're looking for other animals. So we saw a spider first. We saw an antelope already. So hopefully we'll see some other exciting animals while we're here. We'll be back shortly. So guys, we have made it to the fall at the park. spit all over me from the waterfall. You know what? Always a new experience these days. Why not? Maybe the animal spit will heal my body. Maybe, we'll see. All right, you guys, we just finished the waterfall at Shimba Hills. It was absolutely amazing. I mean, that waterfall will definitely give you an amazing back massage. So if you come to Shimba Hills, you have to come to the waterfall. Like, it was great, like well needed. So we dried off, we're heading back up the hill, and we're heading to the ocean view, I think.